but we were friends. We barely talked on the weekends. He loved the band that we had on. My friends warned me it was all gone. I used to laugh at all your jokes. All that's left is our clan smokes. You still owe me the things you stole. Teasing me was your own goal.
I laugh when you told me you're high. Don't even wanna know what was said out of sight. You try to convince me you're better than your mates. It's that school of sharp mentality. Your only trait.
You never read your mind. You got me hooked just on your web. Kept trying to find the right time. All for you to just coerce.
True, there was always someone somewhere. How to comprehend the really base there. Your never-ending smirk was getting really old. Just many unspoken words that were left untold. At 12 a.m., you're just a memory. And not like talking to a stranger, no caller ID. Once burning bright, now just another name. You kept on giving me mixed signals in every text.